Bitcoin ETFs record $127 million in outflows after Trump's tariff pause. Bitcoin ETFs. President Trump. Trade tariffs. While geopolitical trade tensions normally move markets unpredictably, Bitcoin ETFs appear to march to their own rhythm, showing the maturing but still distinct nature of institutional crypto investment vehicles. Last updated, April 10, 2025. Author, Jimmy Aki. Author, Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 10, 2025 at 22:55 GMT+3. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Single-day U.S. Bitcoin ETF outflows reached $127 million, totaling nearly $800 million in 5 days. While ETFs declined, global stocks jumped, including Asia and Europe shares. This positive market impact may be short-lived, as global economies expect China and U.S. trade wars to escalate. On April 9, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs saw $127.12 million in net outflows despite President Trump's announcement of a 90-day pause on new tariffs. Trump's decision to delay trade tariffs propelled U.S. stocks upward, with the Nasdaq recording its best day since January 2001. However, while the stock market surged, the pause failed to reverse the ongoing decline in Bitcoin ETFs, showcasing a contrast in market reactions. Bitcoin ETF outflow streak extends to 5 days. According to Soso Value data, BlackRock's IBIT suffered the hardest hit, seeing $89.71 million in net outflows. Grayscale's GBTC followed, losing $33.8 million. Smaller ETFs also struggled, with WisdomTree's fund losing $5.7 million, while VanEck's HODL recorded $4.7 million in redemptions. Bitwise BITB stood alone as the only Bitcoin ETF to record gains, attracting $6.71 million during the same period. Meanwhile, Ethereum ETFs also suffered losses, although on a smaller scale compared to Bitcoin ETFs. Among the 10 Ethereum funds tracked, iShares ETHA and Fidelity's FETH experienced redemptions of $5.5 million and $5.7 million, respectively. The remaining ETFs didn't record any activity. These losses came just days after another major sell-off. Between March 31st and April 4th, Bitcoin ETFs recorded $172.89 million in net outflows. The trend began on March 31st, with $71.07 million leaving the market. April 1st saw a spike in redemptions, jumping to $157.64 million. The outflows persisted into April 3rd and 4th, with $99.86 million and $64.88 million lost on those days. Only April 2nd showed signs of strength when a sudden inflow of $220.76 million briefly lifted investor confidence. These latest outflows mark a sharp reversal from the previous 2-week streak of inflows that had brought in close to $941 million. Tariff diplomacy ignites global stock surge. In a Truth Social post on April 9th, President Trump announced a 125% tariff hike on Chinese imports while delaying tariffs for other countries by 90 days. This unexpected pause provided immediate relief to financial markets battered by recent trade tensions. Stocks across the globe responded with enthusiasm. European indices, which were closed when the announcement was made, rallied sharply the next day. London's FTSE 100 jumped 6.2%, while Germany's DAX soared 7.8%. France's CAC 40 and Spain's IBEX 35 climbed 6.4% and 7.2%, respectively. Asian markets were already open and surged immediately. Japan's Nikkei 225 jumped 8.68%. South Korea's Kospi rose 6.07%. and Hong Kong's Hang Seng gained 3.13%. U.S. stocks followed suit as the Dow Jones Industrial Average spiked by 7.87%, the S&P 500 surged 9.52%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq exploded 12.16% higher, its biggest single-day gain since January 2001. Crypto-linked stocks also benefited. Coinbase rose 16.91%, and Strategy, formerly known as MicroStrategy, closed with a 24.76% gain. President Trump's tariff U-turn came just 24 hours after steep duties had kicked in for nearly all of America's trading partners. The whiplash caused a wave of volatility that wiped trillions off global markets. The pause acted as a pressure release, calming panic and helping investors regain confidence, at least temporarily. Crypto market rebounds over 5% as investors weigh recovery momentum. Bitcoin recovered quickly after Trump's announcement. Within an hour, the BTC price jumped 5.6%, hitting $81,636. Ethereum followed suit, rising by 8.45% to $1,585. Other altcoins also rode the recovery wave. Solana rose 8.41%, Dogecoin saw a 6.89% uptick, and XRP gained 10.26%. Cardano, Tron, Chainlink, and Avalanche posted gains of 9.6%, 5.58%, 9.33%, and 11.08%, respectively, in the past 24 hours. At press time, the global crypto market cap stands at $2.58 trillion, marking a 6.51% increase over the last day. Trading volume has also increased by 13.5%, suggesting renewed investor activity. While Trump's 90-day delay offers temporary relief, whether other countries will face trade tariffs higher than 10% once the pause ends is unknown. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics, Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Panic selling hits XRP. But is this the perfect setup for a surprise rally? BTC tops $82,000 as ETH and XRP jump 13% on Trump's tariff pause. SEC approves listing, trading of options on ETH ETFs. Altcoin news. Cardano price analysis. ADA bounces as trade wars ease, but 30 cents ADA remains likely. 1 day ago, by Joel Frank. Price analysis. XRP's V-shaped reversal turns heads. Are $3 plus targets now in play? 1 day ago, by Alejandro Arich. Bitcoin news. Charles Hoskinson predicts Bitcoin could hit $250,000 as tech giants eye stablecoins. 1 day ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. For days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025, by Med Kilikudi. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. March 3, 2025, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025, our top picks. September 11, 2024, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.